In this video, I'm going to show how to create objects in the FTC Sim World Builder. We'll start off by creating a beetle. A beetle is a basic robot, and you can see it here on the left side. If you don't see it here on the left side, make sure you have the Essentials tab selected, and then click Beetle. This places a beetle in my world, which I can then move around using these arrows. Let's move it backwards. I'll move it sideways, and I can even move it upwards. If you don't see these arrows, you probably deselected the beetle by clicking anywhere else in the screen. You can simply move your mouse back over the beetle, click to reselect it. Let's move it down again. Now, I'd also like to create a victory trigger. The victory trigger is essential in every level because in order to complete the level, the robot needs to end up at the victory trigger. And again, I'm just going to move this victory trigger around like this. Remember, if I deselected it, I can just click on the object to reselect it. Or if I want to select multiple objects, I can hold the mouse button down, the left mouse button down, and create a box like this. And this allows me to select multiple objects and move them together. Besides these basic objects, there's of course a lot more I can create. On the left side, we can see different categories like floors and walls, power objects, which I'll explain in a later video, props, and primitives. For now, let's leave it at this, but before we end, make sure to hit the Save button to make sure you don't lose any of your work. In the top left here, we can see the Save button turned orange, which shows that we've made some changes. Let's hit Save, and we can see it changed to saved.